So NotebookLM just released two new features that will skyrocket your level of research and learning. And I love NotebookLM because you can chuck in any video or any resource or any link into the tool and you can get a summary, a podcast, and all these different things as well. Not only that, it's free too. So I'm going to walk you through these new features and how you can level up your learning through Notebook LM and see what possibilities are out there. So let's dive in. So here's my screen. As you can see, when you go to Notebook LM, obviously what I mentioned before, it's free. So you jump in, you create a new notebook, and then from there, you can chuck in either your files, like your knowledge base. If you run a business, you have a document of what your business is. Could be branding documents, could be anything. You chuck it in here. You can also upload YouTube videos or websites, your Drive, and link your Google Drive to Google Notebook LM or copy text as well. And the cool thing about it is that I'm going to show you two examples. So the first example is this video here from Alex Hormozi. If you want to make your first 100K in 2026, this is what he would do. So you just grab the video link, paste it in here, you go insert, and you let that load, and it will create a summary for you. So obviously, there you go. So you got 6 steps, strategic roadmap, psychological cost cutting, Maslow's hierarchy of needs, and active income generated through expertise. All right. So if you look on the right here, there's all these different options, right? I think I've walked through a few features before, such as audio overview. So you can create a podcast on this content, slide deck, you can create that as well. So if you just click it, it would just generate on the bottom here. So slide deck, you've got mind map, flashcards, reports, quiz, infographic, data table. So the new one is a video overview, right? So with the video overview, you can get a cinematic video based on your research or based on the link that you put in there. So if let's say you don't want to spend 20 to 90 minutes watching a webinar, you can use this video overview to help you learn the topic. So for example, Claude Code is the latest thing that's happening right now. And you can get videos where they're teaching you how to set it up, they're teaching you how to use it, install skills. And let's say you don't have the time, you can just put it in here. So it will ask you whether it's a cinematic one, an explainer one, or a brief. So I want to have an explainer one. And then based on that, how would you like the video to be customized? I want it to be more about a time-focused strategy. So comparing managing time versus being a focus creator, and then saying lay out the roadmap 200K. Okay, cool. So when you go just generate, so it'll generate the overview as well as it generating the slide deck, right? So from here, you can then go to data table, right? And this one is the same thing. So we'll let these load and then we'll pause this for now. All right, as you can see, they have been generated. The video one is still generating. So this was about 6 minutes ago. So if I click here, you can see that there is a table now. And in this table, you can see that there's a roadmap. There's the step on what you need to do. So minimize and increase cash flow to allow higher risk and reinvestment. There's saving time, researching a skill, spending time learning, and spending money in the right places. Don't increase your lifestyle, right? So those are the 6 ways, right? Based on this data. Then you go to the unlock. So now obviously this is the one that we always use. So if you go here, you can see that there is a blueprint and it's really nicely designed. So they really changed the designs and they've upgraded it to Nano Banana 2. So you can see that there's the 6 steps, what to do, what to cut cost on, what to save time on, What's the split? What's the maker manager mode? This is really cool. I'm a visual learner, so this will help me tremendously, right? So this is what you do. One, 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 learning. Okay. And the cool thing about this is that when you go to uh, more options, you can download as a PDF or a PPT. You can also share this to people as well. You can revise it. You can change the slides within NotebookLM. Like if you don't like the design or you want it to change to a certain design as well, you can do that too. And yeah, that's pretty much the new features. I will wait for the video to load. So the cinematic video has been produced. So it's called Focus Through Elimination. Let's have a look.
To hear the internet tell it, a $46 million exit or making over 100 million in a single weekend is the peak of financial success. But for entrepreneur Alex Hormozy, the moment he actually felt the absolute wealthiest in his entire life happened way before that.
So you can increase the speed.
$1,000 in his bank account. That specific number is the exact threshold where a person stops worrying about tomorrow and finally has the mental bandwidth to start building a future.
See, that's really cool. So, okay, I want to also use this video because this video is a 4-hour video. And let's see if we can do the same thing in NotebookLM for Mr. Nick Sarev. Shout out to Nick. Awesome. So we'll create a new notebook, do the same thing here, go to website, just paste that in, and then it will just collate all the data there. And the cool thing about this is that it will process videos that are 4 or 5 hours long if need be. So what you can do here, same thing, if I just click on data table, infographic, slide deck, maybe I want a video that overviews, give me a brief. Give me something that is kawaii, man. So you can choose whiteboard, kawaii, anime, watercolor, retro print, heritage. So let's choose kawaii because that's cute. And then we'll focus on the practical applications and just click generate. So we'll let that all load. As you can see, the training module has been provided to us in the data table, which is quite quick. So you can see that there are different modules here, such as Project Brain System, Claude Code Skills, Complex Project Building, MCP, and it gives you the works here. So it also gives you, and this is what is awesome, the gain that's inferred in each of the different modes and different modules. So that's really cool. And we'll wait for the rest to load. All right, so as you can see that there is the slides now. So Claude Code as a operating system. It's gone through 4 hours of video. It's given me each slide, what to look out for, how it all works, and the like. Again, you can click these three dots here to download the PowerPoint and then update it. What I would do personally, I would download the PowerPoint, I would upload that to Google Slides, and I would edit it there. So that's one way you can do it. The next one is you go to the video here. So there's a 1 minute video, which is a brief on automating with AI assistance if you want that fast learning. So what you can do here is just click play.
Okay, let's start. AI assistance can totally change how you run your business. This isn't just theory. One entrepreneur is already running his entire business with an AI workforce.
So you can see in 4 hours, it's compressed that information and now it's given me a summary, which is a 1 minute video. And I don't have to spend too much time going inside the actual tutorial and course itself. Then the next one is the infographic. So you can see it here. So pretty much this is the end-to-end infographic. You got phase one, which is installation environment. You got phase two, which is the project brain. And then you got phase three, which is modes and advanced automation, which is phase three. and it tells you which is which. So that's really cool. And back to the data table as well. That's pretty much the tutorial. I wanted to just share a quick video on the two latest feature, which is the data table as well as the cinematic video, and you can change it to an explainer one as well. Hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next video.